All right, welcome. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to map out all of the content for your website literally in a minute or two using ChatGPT. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up ChatGPT and then we're going to type in a simple phrase here. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it in and we'll talk about it. It says, write a comprehensive site map in list format for a site with a niche of, and in this case, I wrote in ChatGPT for real estate. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. Now, while we're doing this, it is going to outline exactly all of the most important components of a website for building topical authority in this niche. Now, of course, we can go through here, but we can see that this is exactly what we're going to want for our sitemap. We have services. We can talk about all of these different areas, how it works, and we have a blog and so forth. Now, after we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the next section, and then we're going to type in now propose 50 blogs for each main topic and silo for that topic. And then we're going to click that button. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to get all of the topics that are going to be necessary in specific silos for the website. Now, all of these titles can easily be entered into whatever generation tool you're going to be using, whether that is ChatGPT to write your blog posts or whether you're using a writer like Zimmwriter, which I do highly recommend. I'll include a link to that below. But if you just go through this step by step, then you will be able to map out your entire website with blogs to become a topical authority in that niche, and you can continue to build on top of that. So make sure that you use these two simple prompts here. I'll include them in the description below, and have fun with that. Be sure to like this video, go ahead and comment, subscribe to this channel for more of these kinds of tips to rapidly grow your online income and have success with AI. Thanks for watching.